The Kingston Fury Beast White RGB 64GB DDR5 memory kit is a game-changer for anyone looking to boost their system's performance. With a striking new heat spreader design, this RAM not only performs exceptionally but looks stunning with its enhanced RGB lighting. The lighting is synchronized seamlessly thanks to Kingston's patented infrared sync technology, ensuring a consistent and immersive visual experience across your setup. This kit, with a total capacity of 64GB split into two 32GB modules, operates at an impressive speed of 5,200 metric tons s. Such high speed makes it perfect for demanding applications, whether you're gaming, video editing, or running intensive software. One of the standout features is its Intel XMP 3.0 certification, which guarantees easy overclocking and improved system stability. With Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, you can push the memory to its limits without worrying about stability issues. Overclocking enthusiasts will appreciate the improved stability and performance. The Fury Control software provides an intuitive interface for customizing RGB lighting effects and managing performance settings, allowing users to personalize their experience and get the most out of their system. The plug-and-play functionality simplifies installation, as the RAM automatically overclocks to the highest listed speed allowed by the system BIOS, ensuring a hassle-free setup. The special features of this RAM kit include LED lights and a lightweight design, adding both aesthetic appeal and practical performance enhancements. The infrared syncing technology is particularly noteworthy, as it sets this kit apart from other RGB RAM modules on the market. With this feature, you won't experience any delays or mismatches in your lighting effects, maintaining a cohesive and professional look. In conclusion, the Kingston Fury Beast White RGB 64GB DDR5 memory kit is an excellent choice for those seeking top-tier performance, aesthetic appeal, and advanced features in their system. Its high speed, large capacity, and user-friendly overclocking capabilities make it one of the best options available. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a tech enthusiast, this RAM kit will undoubtedly elevate your computing experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.